Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to Bengaluru for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in Bengaluru. Contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. US markets going up every day. It's a dream run in US markets. The people who have shorted, they are feeling the pressure. And tonight is very important. The Fed meeting is there. And Fed is expected to reduce the rate by 25 basis points. So that's almost sure. But what the Fed chairman will be speaking after the interest rate cut. So that is very, very important today. And not only that, people are also waiting for US president and Chinese president to meet. So people are generally expecting a positive outcome with regards to China-US trade relationship. So that's why the gold has fallen very much yesterday. So last 3 trading sessions, the gold has been falling. So coming back to our market, so after consolidating for about 6 months, so in the month of October, and Nifty broke out. So this is a breakout after a very, very long consolidation of 6 months. So therefore, I still feel that the rally is going to be significant. So maybe at least, at all-time high. But market has been very, very volatile. And yesterday also, especially the Bank Nifty, it was making all kinds of moves. And even Nifty, Nifty I think moved 5-way, I think. Morning went up, then came down, again went up, again came down, again went up, like that. So usually, this is, maybe we can write it off as expiry day volatility yesterday. And today, the GIFT Nifty indicating about a 30-40 point higher opening. Of course, GIFT Nifty has not been a correct indication. So if Nifty rallies today and if Nifty closes above 26,000, so then, there are like entire November series, so maybe positive. If you can remember, like about 1 year before, it so happened, like if the first trading session was a decent rally, then the entire month, that first day's low was not broken. So this was happening continuously for many months. So something like that, if the market opened, there may be some profit booking initially, and then make a low. Then after that, market rallies and closes about 26,000. Then, if not at least today's low, at least yesterday's low will be a very, very good support. And then a lot of events are lined up for the month of November. So it's going to be very exciting. Technically, the market is long. And October month, or in fact for the last 6 months, FA is having huge short positions. In fact, last October series started with FIA short position of 94%. There were long only about 6%. But right now, it is around 80% short and 20% long. So in the past, I said many times, as and when FIIs are short more than 80%, the markets will uniformly rally in the next few weeks. But this time, it took few months, not few days, few weeks. So we need to see today, by the end of the day, whether FII short position comes down below 80%. So if it is below 80%, maybe we can expect some consolidation with positive bias. So as long as they have more than 80% short position, market is going to rally. And so most of the corporate results are over, but yet mid cap, small cap companies will be declaring the results. So more importantly, as I told you yesterday, people will be watching for monthly auto sales data to see the full impact of this GST reduction and also GST collection for the month of October. So these are all the overall view. For today, the Fed meeting, US President, Chinese President meeting, and any positive comment with regards to Indo-US trade. So all this will dominate the market. So I'm expecting Nifty to trade between 25,500 and maybe 26,800 in the month of November, because upper end it's going to be difficult to predict, because once all-time high crosses, so it is an uncharted territory. And so 26,500, there'll be a round figure psychological number. Then the actual resistance may come around 26,800. So looking at the option prices, so looks like today, end of the day, we may get some kind of a clarity about this run. But as I told you, this is a technically long market. It's time to bullish. Sometime bull market corrections are fast and ferocious. That's what you have been seeing in the last 3 or 4 trading sessions. But markets will uniformly rally. So let us see what is going to happen today, because this is the first day of the series. There is nothing much to talk about open interest, this and that. So we will see. And then people will be focusing on, Sensex option now. So Sensex option expiring tomorrow. So people have sold like 83,000 put as well as 86,000 call. Both were trading around 50 rupees yesterday afternoon, but that has come down to 20-25 rupees both sides. So Sensex is expected to trade between 83,000 and 86,000 today and tomorrow. So let us see what is going to happen. So my last week prediction has gone correct. So I said Nifty is likely to trade between 25,500 and 26 on Monday and Tuesday, and 26,300, 25,500 to 26,300 up to Friday. So up to Tuesday, our prediction has gone correct. But now we need to see what is going to be our prediction, work or not, for the next 3 trading sessions. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.